Did you know the same makeup routine that worked for you in your 20s might be quietly aging you today? It's a strange feeling, isn't it? You follow the same steps: foundation, blush, a bit of powder, but suddenly your reflection doesn't feel like you anymore. Maybe the makeup looks heavier, the colors feel off, or the lines around your mouth and eyes seem more pronounced than before. But here's the truth: it's not your fault. It's your skin evolving gracefully. And with that, your makeup needs to evolve too. After 50, your skin becomes a little thinner, a little drier, and much more delicate. What used to create radiance may now accentuate what we'd rather soften. But the solution is not piling on more coverage or chasing youth. It's about shifting the goal. Not to hide, but to enhance. Not to look younger, but to look refreshed, healthy, and beautifully yourself. I've worked with so many women who've said, "I don't want to pretend I'm 30. I just want to feel confident and comfortable in my own skin." And that's what this routine is all about. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 simple, effective steps to help you glow naturally and confidently. From skin prep to soft color, each step is tailored specifically for mature skin. And none of it is about trends. It's about you, what feels good, what flatters, and what works now. So if you're ready to feel radiant in your 50s, 60s, or beyond, let's get started. If makeup is the art, then skincare is the canvas. And for mature skin, that canvas needs to be nourished, smooth, and deeply hydrated. Because here's the truth: no foundation, no matter how luxurious, can look radiant on dry, textured skin. That's why our first step, before a single drop of makeup, is skincare. Start with a gentle cleanse. Avoid harsh foaming cleansers that can strip your skin. Look for something creamy, hydrating, or even oil-based, especially if your skin feels tight after washing. Next, apply a hyaluronic acid serum while your skin is still slightly damp. This ingredient works like a sponge, drawing moisture into the skin and giving it that supple, plump appearance. Then, seal that hydration in with a rich, nourishing moisturizer. Look for formulas with ceramides, peptides, or squalane, ingredients that support the skin barrier and smooth fine lines. And please, don't skip sunscreen. Even at 50, 60, or 70 plus, UV rays are the #1 cause of accelerated skin aging. Choose a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher and apply it every morning, even on cloudy days. Now, let's talk about primer. Many women over 50 think primer is optional, but for mature skin, it's a secret weapon. A good hydrating primer, like Bare Minerals Prime Time, fills in texture and gives your foundation something to cling to, so it glides on, not clings. Pro tip: massage your skincare in with upward strokes. This not only helps with absorption, it boosts circulation and gives your skin a healthy flush before makeup even begins. When you take 5 minutes to prep your skin, everything that follows becomes smoother, easier, and far more flattering. Let's talk foundation, because for many women over 50, this is where makeup starts to feel tricky. You might be thinking, why does my foundation look patchy or heavy now when it used to glide on just fine? The answer isn't in your technique. It's in your skin's changing needs. Mature skin often has more texture, less elasticity, and may have areas of uneven tone. And heavy, full coverage foundations, they tend to settle into fine lines, cling to dry spots, and make your skin look older, not smoother. So what's the better approach? Go light, go luminous, go breathable. One of my favorite options for mature skin is a serum foundation or tinted moisturizer. A great example is the L'Oréal Paris Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation with SPF 50. Here's how to apply it. Use a damp sponge. The moisture helps melt the product into the skin. Start at the center of the face. Blend outward, focusing only where coverage is needed. Want even more glow? Mix a drop of moisturizer with your foundation for a second skin finish. Remember, the goal is enhancement, not concealment. Instead of blanketing the face with concealer, we're going to brighten strategically. The under eye area is thin and prone to texture, so piling product here only makes lines stand out more. Here's a better approach. Use a hydrating concealer, like Victoria Beckham's. Apply only in the inner and outer corners of the eyes. Tap gently with your ring finger to blend upward. You can also use a tiny bit of corrector if your dark circles are deep blue or purple. And don't forget, less is more. As we age, our faces lose color and definition, but instead of contouring, we'll use cream blush and bronzer to bring warmth and lift. Smile softly. Apply blush slightly above the apples of your cheeks. It visually lifts the face and brings youthful life back. For bronzer, think sunshine, not shadow. Tap gently on the temples, cheekbones, and under the jawline for natural dimension. Avoid shimmer. Opt for creamy, satin finishes that melt into the skin. Let's keep it simple and soft. For eyes, use a brown or navy gel liner on the upper lash line only. Smudge it gently for definition without harshness. Apply mascara to the top lashes only. This opens the eyes without creating under-eye shadows. For lips, line just outside your natural lip shape with a creamy pencil. Then fill in with a glossy balm or tinted conditioner to reflect light and restore fullness. Skip the matte lipstick. It often settles into lines. Go for hydration and softness instead. Let's look back. 1. We hydrated and prepped the skin. 2. Used breathable, radiant foundation. 3. Brightened key areas, not the whole face. 4. Added warmth with creamy, natural color. 5. Enhanced eyes and lips with softness and care. You don't need to do it all today. Start with one change: a new blush, a softer base, or simply applying with lighter hands. Because beauty after 50 isn't about looking younger. It's about looking like you, rested, radiant, and confident. So go ahead, glow. You deserve it.